My name is Frank Matus. I'm a junior in industrial engineering, and I'm from Managua, Nicaragua. So I'm really passionate about motorsports in general, and I've always been trying to find a way to link that with my studies. I was speaking to my advisor, Ms. Morgan Carrila. We started talking about potential research that I could do with that. So it was about trying to find somewhere to plug in my passion for motorsports with somewhere in learning. So we hit with data analytics, and that's where the whole idea came from. The project started out pretty broad, just trying to find a way to merge data and feed that to some sort of algorithm that can calculate a certain probability for win. And so after looking at the data, we decided to look at pit stops in general. So pretty much the data points that we're looking at are gaps between different cars before and after pit stops, and just comparing everything to see if there's a link between a certain type of pit stop and position. So trying to find a connection between the two to kind of further inform strategy during the race. Through Morgan, when I talked to her about the idea, she told me, hey, I got the perfect guy. And so she connected me with Professor Haas. And I sent him an email. We talked about it over a meeting, and he really liked the idea. I think I've really learned more application of what I've been learning here at Purdue. So mostly in data analytics, working with programs like RStudio, a lot more with Excel than I had been before. So it's really kind of practicing what I've been learning in class. Being able to really use my passion for motorsports and be able to kind of marry that with what I've been learning in class has been the best part of it. I would say first, find something that you're passionate about. I think that the best research always comes from passion. So like with me, finding that a way to use motorsports as kind of a vessel for that learning is the most important part. And after you found that vessel for your learning, I would definitely start talking to people in the school that you want to work with, because they're going to know exactly who is the expert on that matter. The goal is to produce victories, because all this data and all these algorithms that we work on, it's something that feeds into this machine that's made up of people, technology, and the car and the driver itself, and everyone involved. So the goal is for this data to be used, and for this algorithm in general to be used in real time to better inform a team and to get that race win. The goal is for this research to launch me into a career in motorsports. And I think it's the perfect segue, because it's the marriage between what I learn in class and my passion for motorsports. So I think that this project is a great launch pad into that kind of career.